We begin our postures from the sun salutation. We start from the SMASTHITIH. Palms feet together, palms beside the roll your shoulders, open your back, contract your shoulder blades. Slowly take a deep inhale, raise your hands up from the side body, palms facing up. Slowly comes up, palm together, interlock your thumb, elbows together, front of your heart center. This is a Namaskara asana. In this posture, we grounded ourselves to the nature. We respect our being, our body, our mind, and our spirit. We begin sun salutation from this posture. Be grateful, be inner peace. Slowly inhale, elbows together again. Raise your hands up. Interlock your thumb. Stretch your body to the sky. Lengthen your spine. Engage your core muscle. Arch your back. Make sure your pelvic is a back, not front. Slowly inhale. Exhale, bend forward. Keep breath normal. Slowly bend forward. Palms catch your ankle. As much you go further, that much you will feel your flexibility of your hamstring. Just stay here until feel comfortable, 1 breath or 3 breaths, up to your feeling in the comfortable. But don't force yourself so much if you have tight hamstring. Alright, slowly palms beside the feet. Bend your both knees, right leg step back. Make sure and please remember, every round we focus on the right leg. This is ASHWA SANCHALANASANA. In case if you are doing long time and you want to open your hip joint, then we have another option. Knee down, foot down, tips your fingers on the floor, hip down, inhale, head up, keep breath normal, stay here, pelvic down. This is the option for advanced if you want to hold this posture for a long time. Alright, take your behind foot, palms on the floor, step back to the mountain pose, heels on the floor, palms on the grabbing your fingers, pressing down. Try to touch your head to the down to the floor if you can. If you cannot, no problem. Just stay here, keep breath normal. Remember, this posture is not a relaxing posture. This is a mountain pose, as we called PARVATA in Sanskrit. Alright, Kru Namaskara asana. Lift your both heels up, knees down, chest and chin down. Slowly slide your hips back on the floor, heels together. Inhale, roll your shoulders back, head up. Engage your back muscles. Make sure your heels together and pelvic on the floor. Don't extend your elbows 100%. We have to bend the elbows and beside your body. Shoulder blades together. Look up to the ceiling. Keep breath normal. Inhale, exhale. Slowly down. Tuck the toes. Pull up your body to the mountain pose again. Activate your fingers, pressing down to the floor. Move your head up and down. Try to use your shoulder blades flexibility. Alright, this is a mountain pose, Parvatasana. Slowly lift your both heels up. Right foot step forward. This is we called ASHWA SANCHALANASANA, horse riding pose. Okay, you have an option to open your hip joint. Knee down, foot down, fingertips up. Hip down, pelvic down. Open your chest maximum and look up to the ceiling. Inhale, exhale. Keep breath normal. Slowly behind foot tuck and step forward. Pada Hastasana. Catch your ankles. Inhale, head up. Exhale, head down. Keep breath normal. We're gonna stay here for a while, but remember, your body is your temple. Don't force yourself so much. We feel our body flexibility. We keep practicing. Try to touch our head to the leg. If you cannot, then find your flexible place. Alright, head up, both palms together, interlock your thumb, elbow straight, slowly come up. Inhale, exhale, breath normal. Interlock your fingers, your thumb, stretch your shoulders up, lengthen your spine, arch your back. Make sure your pelvic is a back, not front, and elbow straight. Lengthen your spine, open your chest, keep breath normal. Alright, slowly elbows together, straight your spine, and then we come back to the Namaskara Sthiti, Namaste Asana. Slowly inhale, exhale. Inhale, elbows together, comes up. Your hands comes up, inhale, exhale. Palms open to the side, palms facing down, and SMASTHITIH. This is one round that we learn in the sun salutation. And if you do it second round, third round, fourth round, or any rounds, you just continue from every round. Namaste.